expression on his face when it's given out, but he's bowled out to Shoaib Akhtar. This is just a great...
Those yorkors are so lethal.
Brilliant delivery, absolutely unplayable, that one, even for the frontline batsman. And some swing in the air, then hitting the middle stump.
Able to accelerate.
And bowled straight through. So the short one for the first ball, and then the quick yorker. Why wasn't he trying to bowl quick earlier in the day? He's a much better bowler than when he does what he does best.
The batsman of the caliber, Ravindra Simons, with a short delivery, and the next one, just a hint of reverse swing. Bang on the base of the off stump. The target was there, timber gone.
Hart. Now he was dismissed in the first innings.
Through him. Bowled. Yeah, simple as that. It's another great piece of bowling. In-swinging yorker. Hart had no idea this time. He's yorked himself. What a great spell for Pakistan this is.
Shoaib Akhtar, face of the young giants. Will he give him the bounce? Listen to that crowd, good crowding. They know what's on here. His last delivery is 138.4. The ball at the rear end is 148.4. Not overly, just swung back in, tailed back into the gate.
Piece of bowling, 151.1, a wicket maiden, superb fast bowling, and a big breakthrough.
Only with good pace, 151 Ks, it swings in and it's right on the mark of middle and off. Ricky Ponting looking to play his favourite shot without the footwork we've been talking about. Tough job.
And the acid goes on the tail. Here's Akhtar again. Bowling. How quick is that? That is a ripper of a delivery, right on target. He's been out of the game for 9 months. The left-handers, he wants to have a good look at the whole castle. All three stumps. Wide of the stumps, tails back in, and it is a very, very fine delivery. And for your first ball up,
selectors have got a real question mark to solve.
Bowled him! Akhtar yorker! Tremendous delivery.
There's a kind of an opening of the eyes there, a wide-eyed look about Jonathan Trott, almost as if he didn't pick it up.
This is fantastic bowling. Shoaib Akhtar is on fire. What a ball, what a quick ball. Adam Gilchrist beaten for pace, had no answer to that job. Clean him up. What a delivery, fast and furious, on target.
That was quick and straight. Look at that. Two stump.
Oh, it's quite a beautiful bowling. That is brilliant stuff from Shoaib.
Match, Shoaib Akhtar will be on a hat-trick. Look at it go in, bang, off the legs, onto the stumps. Rattle, Mark looks around, oh my dear. First ball, Shoaib, isn't he happy? Like I said, just what... There we go.
Oh, very close to an outside edge. Desperately close, but not close enough. Very close to the stumps. We'll try again, Shoaib Akhtar. Close. and given by the umpire. This is magical stuff. This is incredible cricket from Pakistan and Shoaib Akhtar. He's picked up 3 huge wickets in 1 over, and Pakistan...
Again, let's have a look at the tram lines. Just outside. Well, there's the shadow of the stumps there. He's caught him on the crease.
Well bowled. Asked the question a bit. Oh, he's given him! Big wicket! Pakistan has got him in front.
Hayden getting a long way across, and that's a good decision. Ball is hitting the line to do that all over. Magnificent stuff from Shoaib. So that is a huge wicket for Pakistan. Jacques Callis is on his way back to the hut.
Captain Yusuf Yohana, ideal delivery. Great side for the fast bowler, knocking the middle stump right out of the ground. And it's going to be a long walk back to the pavilion.
Breeze Shoaib Akhtar. And bowled him, clean him up with a fantastic in-swinging ball. That is the magical stuff from Shoaib Akhtar.
Oh God, middle stump uprooting. Shoaib Akhtar has picked up 6 wickets in his career, especially when he's hit the ball through Thomas. And it's gone.
And watch it goes wide of the crease. Zing, in she goes. Well, it's almost hit the stump on the full. Well, that was a quick delivery too. There have been in the 90-mile-an-hour zone, and that one.